Hello and welcome to Wordscience. Today we are going to learn about a very useful English word. The word is accompany. Let's discover what it means and how to use it in everyday life. So, what does accompany mean? It's very simple. Accompany means to go with someone or to be with someone. When you accompany a person, you stay by their side. When do we use this word? We use accompany when we go somewhere together with another person. We use it when we help someone. We use it when we want to be with someone during their journey. The word accompany means to stay or go with a person or thing. For example, you can say, I accompany my friend to school. This means you walk with your friend to school. You go together. Now let's look at some examples. A parent can accompany a child. A friend can accompany another friend to a shop. Even a pet can accompany its owner. Accompanying means being together. Now, let me tell you a fun story. This story is about two friends named Mia and Max. They will show us what accompany really means. Are you ready? Let's begin. One sunny morning, Mia is walking to school. She is alone. The road is long. Mia walks slowly on the sidewalk. She looks around and feels a little lonely. Suddenly, Max sees Mia from his house. Max is Mia's best friend. He runs to her and says, Mia, can I accompany you to school? Mia smiles. She is happy to see Max. Mia says, yes, Max. Please accompany me. Now Mia and Max walk together. They accompany each other. They are not alone anymore. They feel happy and safe. As they walk, Mia and Max talk and laugh. They share stories. They enjoy being together. Accompanying someone makes the journey more fun and enjoyable. When they reach school, Max accompanies Mia all the way to her classroom door. He says, have a great day, Mia. Mia thanks Max for accompanying her. Two friends accompany each other. So, what did we learn from the story? We learned that accompany means to go or be with someone. When we accompany others, we make them feel safe, happy, and loved. Now let's practice using accompany in real conversations. Imagine you are at school. You want to go to the library. You ask your friend, can you accompany me to the library? Your friend says, yes, I will accompany you. Here's another situation. You are going shopping with your parent. Your parent says, I will accompany you to the store. You reply, thank you. It's fun to go together. This is how we use accompany in daily life. Sometimes we need someone to accompany us to important places. Imagine you are at the doctor's office. The nurse says, please have someone accompany you. You answer, my mom will accompany me. This makes you feel safe. Let's think about travel. Your friend is going to the airport. You ask, will you accompany me to the airport? Your friend replies, sure. I will accompany you. Accompanying someone during travel is very helpful. Friends often accompany each other during difficult times. Imagine your friend is moving to a new house. You say, I can accompany you to your new house. Your friend says, thanks. That makes me happy. Accompanying shows you care. Did you know that pets can accompany us too? A dog can accompany a child in the park. A cat can accompany you while you read. Animals are wonderful companions. There are different types of accompanying. First, going together. This means walking or traveling side by side. Second, helping someone. This means offering support. Third, staying with someone. This means giving companionship. Why do we accompany others? We accompany others to help them. We accompany others to keep them safe. We also accompany others to have fun together. Accompanying is an act of kindness. We can accompany people in different places. We accompany at school, in the park, at the store, at the hospital, and during travel. Anywhere people go, they can accompany each other. Let's practice more dialogues. At school, student A asks, "Can you accompany me to the art room?" Student B replies, "Yes, I will accompany you." This is polite and friendly. At the shopping mall, a parent says, "I will accompany you while you shop." The child responds, "Thank you. I feel safe." Accompanying makes us feel protected. While walking home, friend 1 says, "I will accompany you home." Friend 2 replies, "Thanks. That's kind." Small acts of accompanying show great friendship. At the doctor's office, the nurse says, "Someone must accompany you today." The patient answers, "My dad will accompany me." Having someone with us during medical visits is comforting. At the airport, traveler 1 asks, "Will you accompany me to the gate?" Traveler 2 says, "Yes, I will." Accompanying during travel reduces stress and makes journeys pleasant. Remember this important message: to accompany is to share the journey. When we accompany someone, we share their path, their feelings, and their experiences. Let's do a quick recap. Accompany means to go or be with someone. We accompany others to help them or to share time together. It's a beautiful way to show care. Now it's your turn. Try using the word accompany in your conversations today. Say things like, "I will accompany you." Practice makes perfect. Thank you so much for learning with us today. We hope you enjoyed this lesson about the word accompany. Keep practicing and keep learning. This is Wordscience, your YouTube channel for learning English in a fun and easy way. Please subscribe to our channel and watch more videos. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.